The people are very angry because they have been victims of flooding for all these years. And flooding has made their lives so difficult. And yet the discovery that all the billions of pesos that were supposed to help them, that was supposed to solve the problem, have ended up lining the pockets of all these corrupt politicians, government officials, and contractors.
Masama po sa loob na kami po yung naghihirap, kami po yung nawawalan ng tirahan, ng buhay, ng kinabukasan. Tapos sila po yung limpak-limpak na kumikita, yung buwis na binabayad namin, yung bawat pinagpapagura ng magulang namin napupunta lang sa kanila, sa mga luxury cars nila, sa pag-travel nila sa ibang mga bansa at sa pakikipagsosyo nila sa iba't ibang mga korporasyon.